If you're a business owner, you probably keep hearing to utilize social media or digital marketing for your campaigns. But how do you actually do that? And what makes a successful digital marketing campaign? Hi, I'm Jib from Zikini & Co. And today, in this episode, we're going to look into the steps on how to make a successful digital marketing campaign. There are 5 key steps that we should consider: the what, the how, the where, the when, and the who. The why. This is a stage to make sense out of your campaign. You got to figure out why you're doing this in the first place. What are we trying to achieve? What's the end goal here? You're pretty doomed if you go out there, do random acts of marketing without really think, why are you doing this in the first place? Once you figure out your reasoning, you should think of what are you actually about to promote. Your campaign tends to fail if you try to market things that you want, but instead of what the market needs. Basically, at this stage, you should ask, what are you trying to promote? Do people want this? What they want more instead. The who. At this stage, you want to look at what you're offering and who your consumer is. It's best to think about how does your offering could help to solve their problems. Think about their needs, their dreams, their fears, and so on. And what do we know about them? The where. Once you figure out the earliest steps, this is the stage we're going to figure out where you're going to put your message directly to your consumer. Where do my consumers spend their time, online or offline? What social media network they used heavily and what kind of content they like. At this stage, you should ask yourself, how are we going to do this? Should we do it ourselves or ask for help? Or even, and what do we need to do? For example, once you find out Facebook ads is the best place to reach out to your consumer, how are you going to execute them? Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode on how to build a successful digital marketing campaign. If you want more of this, tips and tricks, give us a like and subscribe. Till next time.